Hi viewers, welcome back with a new video on Sheetcam tutorials. This will be a short video on how to edit the tools using tool table editor or tool table chart. If you have multiple tools in your tool library in the Sheetcam, if you are cutting usually different gauge, different thickness materials, so you have multiple tools in this toolbar. So how to edit these toolbar settings in one go in an easy way, in a quicker way. So here is the option. If you hover the mouse over it, it will show here the tool table editor. Or if you go to this tools option, here is the tool table. Click on the tool table. You will have the list of all the tools you have made. So I have made four tools here: 20 gauge material tool, 16 gauge material tool, 12 gauge material tool, 10 gauge material tool. So naming it as 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I use usually 1.1 mm curve plasma tool for 20 gauge material, and I use same 1.1 mm curve width tool for 16 gauge material. So I can just go here and change this to 1.1. I use 1.3 mm curve plasma tool with for 12 gauge material. So you see, you have simply just edited the values here. You can now use the feed rates, change the feed rates here. What I use, you can usually you can see here. So just adding these values are correct for my CNC machine. If you have experienced with different values, what you got good result with different values of these beat rates for your CNC, you can change accordingly. So just select OK. So now you don't have to change every single tool here. If you see here, the changes I have made, this 1.1 mm, 4000, all changes made in the tool table chart are already incorporated here. So here is how you can change the specifications of the tool, speed of the tool, feed rate, etc. in simple go by using this tool table editor. Okay, that's enough for today. We will come with a new video on the Sheetcam later. Thank you.